Alright, the mattress sticks over the deck a little bit, so you have to kind of reach under the mattress and grab the deck. Lift it up. To put it back down, you have to kind of grab a hold of it and push down, but be ready to catch it, because as it starts to go down, it'll slam down. Alright, now we're looking inside with the lid lifted up. The deck that I replaced is this piece here of particle board is what I use, because it's nice and smooth, and I use 3/4. And the piece runs all the way out to where I am from that point right there, right along there. And then beyond that is the original deck that came from the factory. That original factory deck's 1/2 inch thick. This is 3/4 thick, so I had to put a 1/4 inch Luan shim on the factory part to make the two line up, and then I put a continuous panel hinge all the way along the back side there. Over here I added this reinforcing block. It's a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. And down here I added a 1x6, I think it is, right underneath there. Probably didn't need it, but I thought it put a lot of stress on that 1x2 there for that bracket. As you can see there, that's the gas shock there and up there. I also had to move these a couple of times. Originally I had this block here was mounted clear up here, and it was way too hard to open and close it, so I moved it down and played with it a little bit and got it to where it's just not too hard to open, not too hard to close. Same thing over here on this side, except I took the panel off the back side over here. This panel comes off quite easy. It's just stapled on, and put a reinforcing block in there. Put the panel back on again. You may not need it to do that. And you can see here where I moved, there's some holes right here. That's where I originally had that bracket installed, so I had to move it back a little bit here and then move it down up there to get it just about right. The instructions don't really tell you how to do that part of it. Also, while we're in here, I put this push button pressure switch, so when you close the lid, it turns this light on and off. You go open the lid, turns it on. Makes it nice to see in there. And pretty happy with it. Makes the storage quite a bit easier to get into.